In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online form using DocuSign. This process is straightforward and will allow you to efficiently manage form submissions and signatures in no time. Before we dive in, make sure you have your form all set up. Whether it's a docx or a PDF file, ensure it's finalized and ready to be converted. Having your form prepped in advance will streamline the following steps and make your template creation much smoother. Let's start by navigating over to the Templates tab within DocuSign. Once you're there, you'll want to find the option to Create Template. Click on that, and it will guide you to the template setup phase. Now, this is where you begin customizing your template to fit your needs. Start by adding a name for your template. Giving it a clear and descriptive name will help you locate it easily later on. Next, add a brief description that outlines the purpose of this template. This can be particularly helpful if you have multiple templates and need a quick reminder of what each one is for. After that, it's time to upload your form file. Look for the upload option, click on it, and select your form. Whether it's a docx or a PDF, once uploaded, you're ready for the next step. Now you'll get the chance to add recipient roles. This is a crucial step, as it defines who will be interacting with your form. Make sure you specify these roles clearly, as it will dictate how the form is delivered and filled out. After setting the roles, don't forget to enter an email subject line. This is what your recipients will see when the form lands in their inbox, so make it informative and to the point. With that in place, click Next, and you'll be taken to the section where you can add input fields to your form. These input fields are essential for capturing the information you need from your recipients. Carefully position each field in the appropriate spot on your form, so it's clear and straightforward for your user. After you've placed all your input fields, take a moment to review everything. Double-check that all fields are correctly positioned and that the form reflects the original intent. This quick review helps prevent any mistakes that might have been overlooked. Once you're satisfied with your setup, it's time to wrap things up. Click Save. And just like that, your newly created form template is ready to be deployed. This template is now prepared to be sent out to recipients through DocuSign, allowing you to manage signatures and form submissions with newfound ease. By taking the time to set this up, you've not only streamlined your process, but also enhanced the professionalism of your communications. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. Happy form creating!